See, don't be in rush. Take limits. I cannot close my one eye.
Do?
From childhood, I'm like this. I cannot. You will understand the difference now between Goa and Konkan. Here, beaches are so clean.
And so calm. People don't know about it, but lot of people know that chemtrail they put for many reasons. For decreasing population, making people ill.
So guys, our next day is Lotus Resort.
We finally reached, and I'm so excited to go swimming. So, I think here they have local food also here, no?
I think upside we have to look.
Bhagwan was saying. Actually, we were coming by a road. Some resorts and places were on the road, but this place was a little bit inside. You can say like inside jungle. So, all the places for them.
Your destination is on the right.
I'm not sure all the places for them or not, but
And
let's
it's so much, what to say? So much inside.
it's so much calm.
Yeah, so much
It's
calm
away
inside.
from city main Dapoli area. So this resort is in Murud area of Dapoli. So Murud beach also is nearby only here. So
Oh, by walk we can go?
by walk I don't know, but I think we can go. I will ask.
Yeah, no?
Are this one. So this one
Oh,
is
there
our
we
resort.
should.
No, this one.
You're sure?
Are
Okay.
park at your own risk.
Nice.
Engineer is there.
Inside is so beautiful. Guys, we finally reached to our resort. Here is the resort. Bhagwan is going to take the key of room. Let me show you guys here. Here is so beautiful for taking pictures and videos. See guys there, jackfruit. Very big tree of jackfruit here. I'm gonna show you guys till Bhagwan comes. See? Very nice.
So guys,
Fanas, jackfruit. I have never seen this much big jackfruits. Even previous farm stay we went, this much big you saw?
smaller than this one. Beta is in so much love with jackfruit nowadays. Really, this property is beautiful out of.
So many pictures and videos we can
Are.
take. So beautiful. There also they have small water.
Oh, they have different birds also. Miss, they come here, I think. Okay.
See? Jackfruit. It's so hard.
So hard, guys.
I haven't put sunscreen also. I
You
feel
took
like-
with you sunscreen?
Yes.
Okay.
I feel like I'm getting so much burned.
Uh,
I already got.
it's okay, na? No one will understand. You are everyone think you are from India only.
I know. No one understands nowadays. I am foreigner.
Are.
So the beach also is so near. They have some activities also here. If they give us, it will be good.
Okay.
We'll record.
So actually, guys, I was thinking ki we will go outside. Means evening or morning, we'll go outside and explore.
It's outside only.
It's outside only.
Means we don't need to go anywhere.
So they have like private beach here, different activities here. We can play.
Here is like some games they
Ah.
have, and here is beach.
And no one is here. Means it's like private beach. We can go inside and enjoy.
Yeah. Really, it's so clean also,
Uh,
and very less people are there.
Are.
I don't know why, but this traveling to Konkan reminded me so much of North Iran.
North Iran, na?
So much, especially the place we used to go with my parents from my mom's office. And see here, they have that thing also, Jula.
For sitting, sleeping. This one, she's saying, guys. You can come, lie here. And here is beach. See? It's here only. That's what I'm saying. You will understand the difference now between Goa and Konkan. Here beaches are so clean.
and so calm.
So calm. You'll not find that much rush like Goa.
Yeah.
Goa, you
is
saw.
like so many people are there.
Like everywhere, from here to there, all people are walking here and there.
You want to sit here?
Sit.
Good evening. So we went in our room. We thought like we are not that much sleepy or tired. We'll just sit little bit after lunch for 1 hour. Then we'll go outside for recording. But I don't know how we slept.
Nah. Nah.
They have horse riding near beach.
Where Google?
See?
Hello guys.
Hello guys. So we thought like we will little bit rest in room and then we will come for like taking pictures, videos and this and enjoying. But we slept a lot. Now we woke up. It's like around 5:36.
5:30 or 5:40, something like that.
Yeah. So we'll be little bit here. We'll take
Uh.
some pictures, videos. We thought it's private beach, but it's
But
not.
it's not private beach. Means lot of resorts are there. You can see. This one is our resort. So that side also they have so many resorts. Like all the way till the end. So a lot of people are there. See.
All of them are from resort.
Most of them are from resort. See, but less population as compared to Goa. Less population as compared to Goa. So I think beach also is clean. It's not that dirty. See? Oh, you want to do horse riding? See?
No, I will never do.
This one.
I'll never sit on animals
Why?
because I don't like abusing animals for business. They cannot speak now. We are just doing anything with them, and I don't like. It's been many years that I'm not doing this type of things. Are 1, 2, be aim ver. Budu.
Your hairs are there, remove at least hair, na? Bada making my hair, go on my hair. Why sala?
Be.
My head is not coming.
Ye var dige.
Okay. Dia. Guys, this one is what?
Chemtree.
Bit I will
That one
explain.
is cloud. See? That one is cloud. Those
That
are
one is cloud, and this line you see now?
Chemtree.
What is chemtrail?
Lot of people don't know about it, but a lot of people know that chemtrail they put for many reasons, for decreasing population, making people ill. Is some gas that it release from the airplane. I mean, they keep it on airplane. When airplane is going, it will release like that. At starting is a very smooth and small line, but then by the time in few hours it will become so big. Now you can see it is like new line.
And who is putting this thing?
Flights.
No, but who is behind it?
All countries, controller of the world.
Really?
Means all countries since I think 8 to 10 years ago, they started this for depopulation of people and making you feel so lazy, numb, and so many things are behind it because it has so many.
Maskara, I'm listening. This is beta's theory.
It's not my theory. If you search, you will understand.
Okay. Let's see, guys. Maybe it's true, maybe it's wrong. Who knows?
No. The thing is, it's not clouds. See, those are clouds. You see? But this is not cloud. And it's not for jet also because I have seen so many times in my childhood when jet goes in what they say
Sky?
Exactly after going the line also will go. It will disappear with it. But this line, see, it doesn't disappear.
So guys, we came here So this resort allowed 10 shots free. Means like this game you can play for 10 times. Okay.
This gap रहेगा, okay? Get the string in hand. Don't touch arrow. Only string. ये आपका आई होल है. Inside the hole, ये tip and object. इसके अंदर से अपने object को देखना है.
Okay. एक बार आप ट्राई करके दिखाओ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See.
ये देखो, कोई फिंगर ऐसे या फिर ऐसे. Don't touch arrow. इसको खींच के आपके राइट आई के पास आएगा ऐसे. ओके, दिखवाना. लेफ्ट आई को एम लेना है. And leave it back. Okay.
Mine all will be kharab. All will go here and there
5 you can do, 5 I will do.
because I never did.
अरे.
First of all, stand aside. Like on your mark.
Okay.
Okay, on your mark. Hold the ball. Left hand. Hold the ball. Are you lefty or right?
Right.
Just
हाँ.
stand aside. Like perfect. Don't touch arrow.
Downside just press.
Yes.
Take near your eyes.
Elbow up.
Elbow up.
Right hand elbow up. Like this. Yeah. Pull hardly. Pull. Did you watch it? This one. This one match the yellow. Okay. Pull. Pull more. Pull more. Okay. And take. Hold your breath. Then leave your back hand.
Leave your hand.
Yes.
Badness,
It's
cool.
okay. It's okay.
Okay. Now this one, let's try.
It's okay.
After this, I'll record for short also. Okay. Come on, Bita, come on.
I think I have to sit here and
See the
because
tip
I was,
of that.
I was watching that yellow,
Huh.
but it went on black. So
Huh.
I think I should watch
Actually,
black
wind
and it
effect,
will go.
man.
uh,
This is a wind effect.
oh, because of wind also.
So I have to watch black.
Little bit see through red one or blue one.
Your red one.
Red or blue one and then it.
Pull one. Yeah, enough. Hold your breath and leave your back hand. Yes. Like,
Not bad, not bad.
okay.
Okay.
Bhagwan, let's see who will be better. You
don't
or
touch
me?
the arrow.
Okay.
Hold it like this.
ऐसा चलेगा.
हाँ चलेगा सर. आपको बस बेटर ग्रिप मिलना चाहिए.
और यहाँ से एकदम से छोड़ देना है
हाँ.
ना. Okay.
खींच के बस पुल नहीं करना
हाँ
मेरे.
हाँ.
खींच के यहाँ पे होल्ड करो.
हाँ.
Then leave your back hand.
यहाँ से ऐसे फिंगर छोड़ देना है.
Yes,
यहाँ
yes,
से.
yes.
Okay, is you are recording?
Yes. Let's see how you will do.
पुल. आपका हेड डाउन नहीं जाएगा. Close your left eye.
मतलब
आपका बाई आंख बंद रहेगी.
तो मेरे से नहीं होगा.
both eyes open सर. Both eyes open. इसके अंदर से आपने ये देख के मैच करना है. ये
Okay.
दोनों आंखें खोलो. दोनों आंखें. Both eyes. Pull hardly sir. Pull more. Pull more. Pull more. Little bit pull more. Okay. Take your time. Aiming first of all and then leave your back. Yeah.
Wow,
Not bad.
you did on red line.
Not bad.
Very
not
good.
bad. Good. Okay, one more time.
You did
sir.
so
Take
good,
one more time.
Bhagwan.
ये line पे रखना है बस.
That's why your name is Bhagwan.
Yes, like that.
Bhagwan, you are God.
Inside, yes. Okay, elbow up, yeah, like that. इसको down. इसको देखो आपका नोक एरोप्लेन की तरह उड़ रहा है, ऊपर जाएगा वो. अब देखो आपका हेड अभी बहुत डाउन चले गया है, पता है आपको? बहुत डाउन चले गया है.
डाउन अच्छा है या बुरा है?
बुरा है. ये देखो ना आपको स्टेबल बस ये
Okay,
देखो
okay.
हेड. यस. ऊपर जाएगा. कंफर्म ऊपर ही जाएगा.
Oh, but last one was very
Now
good.
record for short.
No, take your time. Take your time.
Bitul,
Properly
see
align.
properly at the end leave it.
Properly
What
align.
if it hit to someone?
This is a
हाँ?
palate.
Ask, what if it hit to someone?
अगर ये किसी को मारा तो क्या हो जाएगा?
Bleeding. Hurt होगा मैं.
Didn't hit, no? Once
Problem
again,
is I
wait,
cannot
wait.
close my one eye.
Do?
From childhood I am like this. I cannot.
Okay, आप सब right eyes तो होती है.
एक आंख बंद नहीं कर सकता मैं.
Okay, okay sir.
नहीं हो सकता मेरे से वो.
It's okay.
ठीक है
एक
ये है ना?
shooting के लिए करिए.
ठीक है बहुत स्मूथ है सर आप टच करोगे तो फायदा
Okay, okay.
तुम्हारे सूट कटे
You can never be a policeman, Bhagwan.
शोल्डर पे रखिए
Okay. ऐसा?
No, no, no.
Shoulder
Here.
and arms.
Okay.
Sir.
Here, here.
एक आदि
No? I told you it's so hard. Not
it's so
easy.
hard.